介绍一下这里是哪里？
这里是乌镇，我们要进去了。
我们刚才先去那个我们住的地方先 check in， 然后先把行李放在那里，然后现在准备要去西闸里面，乌镇的西闸。我们今天就玩那里。
每个路都一样。
它这里就是一个景区，要去西闸的入口买票。
Babe, you make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6? You wanna dine in the 6? And when I lean for a kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, on my, on my, on my, on my innocence.
我现在比较想先吃饭，因为我们早上只吃一个包子。
那就往左转吧。
好，开始吃。
东西也满了，东西也满。
Just hit the pedal. If things go wrong, it's just incidental. My bad, never got the memo that you never have fun while you're in the limo. Yeah, you wanna ride in 6?
赵凡兄，当我摄影师嘛，我们互当嘛，好不好？啊，这是谁的书院？
你朋友？
我朋友。
昭明啊，这是昭明书院。
昭明书院是。
昭明有这个人。
Everybody prays to God by different names.